Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the strip, power supply, and cleaner. Start now. Measure the TV edge and mark start points. Once done, wipe the mounting path with isopropyl alcohol so adhesive bonds. Test the strip by briefly powering the first 10 cm to verify color and polarity. Peel 3M backing a few centimeters, align the start to the marked corner, press firmly for 10 seconds, do not stretch the strip. Make sure to keep the conductor pads accessible for later connections. Continue laying the strip around corners, cutting only at the scissor icons so LEDs keep proper circuitry. When you need to join segments, use quick connectors or solder thin wires. Once done, insulate joints with heat shrink tubing for reliability. Make smooth, gentle bends. Sharp folds damage LEDs. Route the power lead to the TV's back center and secure the strip every 10-15 cm with additional mounting squares. This prevents sagging and you're at the finish line. Connect the strip to the dimmer or controller, then to the adapter and power it up. Test colors and brightness. Make sure transitions are smooth and that no segment is dimmer than the rest. Tidy excess cable with zip ties and tuck the power brick out of sight. If lights don't come on, check the adapter voltage, confirm polarity at the connector, inspect fuses or inline switches, and swap in a tested segment to isolate the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.